Hello, my name is Dirk Schäfer, Account Manager Track and Trace at Wipotec. My colleagues have shown you some of our checkware solution and inspection systems like X-ray scanners. I want to show you our track and trace solution. We have more than 3,500 machines under the name TQS, most in the pharmaceutical market. These machines are very user-friendly, very compact, and we have a lot of hardware and software options for this machine. On the pharma market, they often talk about aggregation serialization. So they bring one unique number to each product, in that case with a data matrix code. Our machine can print and verify this code. Of course, if we can do such things, we easily can bring a batch number and the expiry date, for example, to this cheese product. Now I want to show you this machine in detail. On the in-feed conveyor, first we have our in-feed light barrier. This light barrier triggers the product. From that moment on, we have a product flow control on our system. The light barrier also controls the length of the product. If it is too short or too long, we can reject this product. After that, it moves forward to our printer. We use a HP cartridge printer system. If necessary, we can have two of these printers to print more or faster to the product, whatever information is necessary to print. The next step is our camera. You know, you can print, but you are maybe not sure that the print is correct, that it is readable, and we have a 100% control of all prints with our camera. If something goes wrong, we reject this here on this reject station. Optionally, we can have a weighing conveyor to check also with a legal for trade checkware the weight of the product. If the weight is not correct, we reject on a second reject station. Do you recognize that we have only one human interface on this machine? Everything, the printer, the camera, the weighing system, is under one controller. This makes it very, very easy for your operators to set up a new product, to start production. I have bring this article with the settings and the weight already into the controller, and now we can start production. The conveyors are running. The upstream machine can bring us the cheese. We print, we control, we check the weight, and you have a 100% controlled product on your pallet for your customer. Today, the most of the food lines run like this one with a print from the batch number and the expiry date, not more. But in the future, with new requirements, with additional requirements, it will be maybe necessary that you have a unique number for each of your cheese products. So maybe with a data matrix code. You think about, oh, this is future, we don't need that. Today we have applications in Switzerland where we have cheese companies, they export cheese to Russia, and for Russia you need a code, a crypto code, where each product, each cheese has its own unique number. How easily with our system it is, with only an article change, to print the data matrix code on, I want to show you now. To change the article, we press this article icon, stop the old production. All the statistics, everything is saved now. I have here a new cheese article. I switch this to production. The system asks you for your batch number. I cheat him. And for the expiry date. Okay, now we start this new production. Everything is now sent to the printer, to the camera, to the vessel, that we have the new settings inside our components and can start the new batch. So, now the data matrix code is on our product, the unique number is inside the data matrix code, and the serialization is possible. Do you miss the step when we teach the camera? No. On our system, teaching is not necessary. In that moment, when we bring in the numbers and the code for the print, the system automatically sends this information to the printer and to the camera. No teaching, no test run. The first product is a good product. And if something goes wrong with the print, our vision system sees that and rejects the product. You have only good products outside our machine. Today, on the food lines, they often make the batch coding with inkjet printers. Maybe you also have inkjet printers on your lines. The inkjet printers are very good if you have many of products you want to print. But sometimes you have some issues with these inkjet printers when you start your production. Then maybe the first print is not correct and you must start cleaning the printing heads himself. So these cost you time, cost you money, and often you see on this area that the bottom floor is full of liquid from the cleaning, and this looks not very nice. Here on our system we use this HP cartridge, and these are very easy to change. You see, if something is wrong or maybe it's not working anymore, you take a new one, bring the new one in, and you don't need any service. You can start directly with production. Also, the camera is fully integrated in our system. This hardware here is only an example. As you know from the checkwares, we have many of different hardware. Conveyors in stainless steel, the recheck bins in stainless steel, different recheck devices like pushers or whatever is useful for your product. So, hopefully you see the benefits for you, for your line with our TQS system. If you have any questions, please contact me at dirkschaefer@vipotech.com. Many thanks.